Hi guys, it's Stevie from Planner Cookie Mama. Today I am going to be planning my monthly spread in my mini happy planner. So I'm just going to show you the kit that I'm going to be using. It's just a one-page printable from Pinky Stickers, and this is a best friends kit. So you've just got your usuals, you've got your washi, your notes bar cover, you've got some more washi, your day covers, your date covers, some deco, some littles, some half boxes, and some more deco here. So I'm going to go ahead now and cut this up. I'll do that off camera though because it takes a little while to do, so I shall be back soon. Alright, so I've gone ahead and cut out what I'm going to be using from the kit, and what I've done is I've taken all the backs off and just stuck it onto this baking parchment, because this makes it easier for me just to go ahead and grab what I actually want to use. So this actually won't be a very long plan with me at all. So first things first, I am just popping down the middle washi. So the one on the left hand side slightly covers up the numbers, but that doesn't matter because I will sort it later on. And then using the day cover sticker there with the washi on top of it. And doing the same on this other page. Moving on to the notes, which is easy enough because that's just one long sticker, and then using the deco boxes to cover up the empty days. I actually really like this kit. I think it's really pretty. So this is where I was starting to fix the numbers, and you can see I've put down the number 4 there, and it wasn't until afterwards I realised it was actually quite squint, so I had to go back and sort it. And then here I rip the number 18, but that's absolutely fine because that's my papa's birthday anyway, and I already had a sticker in place for that. And then once I fix this number 24, I go ahead and cut off the side of that sticker there because it was over the top of the washi and it didn't look very nice. So I sorted that. And then to take off the number 13, because that's my nephew's birthday, so popping in a sticker there as well. And then college paydays, and these ones are to mark when there's no school because of holidays, and I'm just popping the book sticker up the top there. And then I punched these here, and it actually got stuck, this on this page it got stuck, so I had to kind of pull it away and yank it, and it did rip slightly, but you can't really notice it, so it doesn't really matter too much. And then just quickly writing in what I need to write in. So my nephew's birthday, and then when the no school days are. Alright guys, so this is my spread for February. I hope you like it. If you do, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and it would be great if you would subscribe to my channel. I will leave a link in the description below to the kit that I used. Until next time guys, happy planning. Bye!